Zimbabwe latest news: Chumbo in car accident. National People's Party member Marion Chumbo was allegedly involved in the road accident in Bangkok, Mashonaland West yesterday, an official has said. Speaking to Bulawayo24.com, a national member who declined to be named said Chumbo sustained head and facial injuries when a vehicle she was traveling crushed with other two vehicles. Marion Chumbo was involved in an accident in Bangkok when she was driving behind a goods truck on the freeway traffic lane at the Great Dyke in a Toyota Grand V attempted a fleet of cars ahead of her. Unfortunately, the overtaking lane ended before the car had overtaken the goods truck ahead of Chumbo. The car collided with an oncoming traffic before jackknifing and hitting Chumbo's car together with another car that was following her. She sustained deep head injuries and facial cuts, hence she was attended at Bangkok Hospital where she was sutured before being referred to Chai Hoi General Hospital for head and chest x-rays since she is complaining of chest pains, said the source. Efforts to contact Mashonaland West Police spokesperson Inspector Clemency Mabwizera hit a brick wall.